Hello, you're at Amoreleza. I'm Veronica Pola. I'm a naturopath specialized in conscious eating and healing through a high raw alkaline diet. In this video, we're going to teach you how to make green juice. Besides being really easy to make, you can include it in your daily routine for its energizing and cleansing properties. This recipe is for one person, but you can easily adjust the quantities for extra servings. So first we're going to use one apple because it adds a sweet taste to the juice and has liver cleansing properties. One lemon for its alkalizing properties and its tartness. One beetroot, which is rich in iron, has blood cleansing properties. 3 centimeters of gingers for the zest and antioxidants it provides. And a handful of celery for its alkaline minerals. If you don't have any celery on hand, you can also use cabbage, spinach, kale, or any other green vegetable you might have on hand. The directions are simple. First step, wash all your ingredients. Second step, cut all your ingredients into small cubes. Third step, place all the ingredients in the juice extractor. The fourth step is to stir the juice. Fifth step, enjoy the healing benefits of this juice and feel the benefits throughout your entire day. You're welcome to come enjoy the healing lifestyle here at Amoreleza.